Yes, sir.
EMT, you guys, this is YouTube. Like and subscribe.
You can taste the Skittles, guys. Oh, shit.
You made me do one.
Beautiful. There's Gigi's car again from last night. Yeah, I know. Drawing on the car today. Check this Prius out, guys. I got competition. Well, I wouldn't go that far, but it's cool. I like to see it. Need to finish the wrap though, or whatever they got going. That's cool though. Is that a Supra? Two of them. It's a car Candyland, guys. Sure you give my boy a like, a follow, and a subscribe. Oh yeah. Drawing on the car today. Excuse me, what do you do for a living?
What's up?
How you doing, girl?
Swing out a little bit. You gotta pull through that space. Swing out.
Idiot.
How are you, by the way?
Alex Choi just got in the building.
Please, watch out. You got Khoshbin here.
Get you guys behind the scenes. Alex Choi content. GG.
Please, gotta back up. Back up.
Got the wood fix there. What's up, Alex? Love the new build, looks great. Yes, sir. You guys are montage. Cars and Copters. Smash that like and subscribe. Check this Corvette out. Oh yeah, guys, you know what it is. You know what it is.
What's up?
There's my boy.
What's up, man?
Chilling.
Shoot!
There he is. What's up, baby?
He's fit.
Come on now.
Hey, look, I like to hold on to the best.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
that's what's
That
up.
way when I post it, everybody can be like, oh man, what's going on? What this dude was doing? And we
much.
got Lucci in the building.
What's
Come
up,
on
baby?
now.
Come on now.
What's going up and it's going down, baby?
Yes, sir. Skinny's World doing his due. Out here, everybody. Manny Khoshbin's Speedtail. Got the Tesla police car. But look at that Speedtail, guys. Smash that like and subscribe, really helps my channel out. I'll bring you guys more content, keep traveling, and get you guys all the good behind the scenes. Let's get you guys some more. There's my boy Skinny's World. Make sure you guys subscribe to my boy. Look at this, guys. Steve POV's favorite. Oh yeah. There's my boys, Lambo Supercar Garage. Make sure y'all check his channel out and subscribe. Got some stuff coming there. Covered this car at Monterey Car Week and a few other places. Badass. Check out the F40, guys. Sick. Whew. They got them all out here, guys. Sweet. Check out this law Ferrari, guys. Sick. Look at this lineup. That's sick.
American cars and Copters.
Cody Walker.
Just try to always find
Hyper NFT. Another Hyper NFT unit. Look at this bad boy. This was just on my boy's channel DVE. They took this to the Grand Prix. Sick.
These are shitty. That's awesome.
Hold on, guys. The first sighting of the Cybertruck right here, guys. There it is. Make it move, yeah.
GoPro. That's awesome. He's got the quad in the back.
Love it.
That's awesome.
Let's get it, guys.
That's hilarious.
Oh yeah, guys, we're in here. VIP with Skinny. Does he?
Put me on this side because they separated all the cars.
Yeah, I see that. Beautiful. You like that car?
Yeah, he was all over that.
Cool, thank you.
Hi.
You're welcome. Thank you, guys.
Spotted your vehicle. We were walking up, and he spotted your vehicle like that.
Right away, huh?
Right away.
Well, you guys will be on the channel, so make sure you subscribe and check it out, huh?
Thank you. He is
He already is, huh? Perfect. Never mind. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you. Have a good one. Yeah. Yeah. They got him. Yeah. Got the Viper in the building. That's nice. Nice. Got the Subaru. Yeah, nice, nice. Got the Honda. Nice, nice. Yeah. Oh yeah. All the nice units. Beautiful. Everyone's out here, guys. Uh-oh, guys, they got one. They got him. They're messing with the little Beamer. What's up, my guys? Let's check out this little bus right here. That's sick. Badass. RDB Lambo. BF Engineering's car. Badass. Check this out, guys. That's wild. That's badass. When you need a real supercharger, come to BF Engineering, boys and girls. And we got Nick in the building. Yes, sir. Long Tail Rally. There's Mike. There's my kind of booth, guys. All the good stuff. I'm about to buy this one and these. Cars and Copters, guys. Long tail. Let's take it home. Give me your channel, my boy.
Yo, what's up, Exotic Envy?
That's right, man. You guys check him out. Make sure you subscribe. And make sure you subscribe to my boy right here, man. He's a real deal.
Yo, check it out. Hey, Exotic Envy, at Exotic Envy, Garrett Exotic Envy on Instagram. Honestly, that'll take you to my YouTube channel. Anybody that's got anything that you're building, I don't care if it's JDM, I don't care if you got a C10 in the garage, if it's a Trans Am, hit me up, send me your build. I'm here to tell your story and share it with the world. I'm not trying to get on YouTube, I'm trying to get you on YouTube. So hit me up, tell me about your story, what your passion is behind your build, and I'll decide whether I can document it and share it with the world. At Exotic Envy, at Garrett at Exotic Envy, hit me up. Thank you, my man.
For sure, my guy.
Plug into them, man.
Yeah.
Mr. YouTube, check him out.
Make sure you guys subscribe to my boy's channel.
Bangers, I'm telling you, subscribe to this shit. He's got bangers on bangers on bangers.
Oh, this guy fell out. Are you okay? Let's go back. Man, guys, he just fell over. I don't think nobody hit him or anything. I think he's all right, guys. Let's get back in there. Alright guys, Supercar Garage. Make sure you guys check them out. My boy Skinny's World. Make sure you check it out. That's the way to go. My boy is always out here doing it. Part 2 coming. More craziness. Went wild on the streets in LA. So I said, like, there's my boy! Supercar Garage right there, boys and girls. That's clean. Got the whole crew there. Oh yeah, guys, my boy James got the new Porsche.
That new Porsche.
Yes, the new Porsche. Say what's up to the vlog, my
What's up,
boy.
guys?
That's right, that's right. All right.
You know how we do.
Looks gorgeous.
Better than
Real DDE fam out here, boys and girls.